This is my game. It's called The Game of Parts. It starts out, the main sprite is a scientist, and you have a score, and then he gives you instructions on how to play and how you need to answer questions. You have to type your answer in the box. He asks 6 questions about computer parts. If you answer correctly, it will ask you the next question, you get a point. If you answer incorrectly, you can answer the question again, and you can always win the game. Next question. Now I will show you what a wrong answer will do. You can answer the question as many times. And the answer is not case sensitive. And the last question. Now it will send you to a game over screen and you can press the green flag to play again. Thank you.